ready for my other church nap because y'all see that I just came back from church. And I get real tired, but I'm waiting on the food to get here so I can eat first. But I'm about to just do some editing while I wait. And then probably gonna take a nap. I have to go back to school tomorrow. I'm gonna drive up and take my test and then come back. So I need to go to bed so I can get up early. But I lied in my last vlog. I'm like giving y'all a house tour, but I'm really giving y'all a house tour today because I couldn't decide whether I wanted to do it at night or in the day, and I kept going back and forth, and next thing I know, the day was gone. So yeah, I'm really gonna do it today, period. I'm gonna do the inside of my house today, and then tomorrow I will give you guys a tour of the outside of my house, or vice versa. Either one, you know, y'all gonna get a tour today. So yeah, about to just finish editing a little bit, and then I'll come back probably after check my nap.
Paper and let her write the definitions out.
Guys.
Yeah. Okay, I'll let you another get a piece of paper.
All right.
Period. This is lit. Say it to the vlog, girl. Say hey. Ain't we twins, y'all? She wanna be me.
No, please. Girl, bye. I'm the original.
You the original? Mm-hmm. Can I have some lip gloss? Cause that's me when your brush is mad.
Why you sitting up here trying to talk about me and your lips is dry?
I want my lips to look like yours. I saw Jada had Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Where that one at?
That was mine. What's she doing there?
No, you have one in here, and then she had one in her purse.
Oh, yeah.
She's too little young to have Victoria's Secret. Well, I don't see it here anymore.
Your lip gloss. Your lip gloss is your lip gloss. Your mama got Victoria's Secret. You got Victoria's Secret.
My sister's 12.
Okay.
I guess she could have lip gloss. She need to have a hair store lip gloss until she's 15.
Sometimes that hair store lip gloss ain't working right.
All hair store lip gloss works.
No, it do not. Get the one that roll on if you want to.
Oh, they can't hear this air. Hope the air is not
I should have started recording after we got the heat on.
If I gotta scrap it, I can scrap it. Cause all the beginning is you trying to be me. That's because you ain't got it shooting out the top, mama. You got it shooting out down here.
Well, that's better than shooting out the top. Then they really be able to hear.
There we go. And it's too high. There we go. Are you talking to my hair already? Cause I am.
No.
I think I need to curl it or something because I don't like it straight.
Well, there you go. Do something.
Guys, I'm down to 1 nail, 2 nails. I'm down to 3 nails.
You need to go to the nail shop because that don't make no sense.
I am, but I couldn't go Friday because my nail was bleeding because it has been in hand. We gonna get monetized. She will listen to music, so we'll be back. Okay, guys, so we've made it to Marshall's and we are currently in the makeup section because you know they be having all the good stuff for the low. But I thought that you did. Unless I'm mistaken, but I thought that you did.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's just Lisa.
About to go to games.
Nothing.
We're about to go to Gabe's next, and because Marshall didn't really have anything, we just bought my dad a couple of things, but we was in here because Marshall's is the plug for high-end makeup for the low, and you know, me and my mom love to do our makeup, so that's what we were doing, but they didn't have anything, so we're about to go to Gabe's. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we go to Gabe's. This thing is so universal. Like, I love it. Y'all just thank you. This is the best thing ever. I'm like a real vlogger now. Yeah, honey.
Okay. You might want to watch that truck of yours.
Oh. She couldn't get the horn, y'all. All week. She couldn't get the horn. She couldn't get the horn.
They be getting them. Oh. Can't be
out here in these streets, y'all. Y'all gonna see the real Monty Hard.
Whatever. It's
She
me
getting on the
all
camera
day,
like,
every day.
hey,
No, I do not. I don't even want to be on your camera.
So how she
Don't
got,
try to act
got
like I be
road
faking.
rage all of a sudden?
No.
So when Mistress came and picked me up, right, and we went to Steak and Shake, she asked the lady, she was like, do you guys have any veggie burgers? The girl's like, no. And she asked her another question, she's like, no. So then she asked her whatever she ordered, it didn't come with fries, and the girl was like, I mean, yeah, it is a combo, ain't it? And that's exactly what she did. We both just busted out laughing because she was like, woo, you lucky I'm in a good mood. She was like, ain't God good. And so then we get up to the window because she was like, Charity would be so proud of me because I would go ham. And I was like, my dad probably would cuss her out.
Oh, yeah. Daddy would have been having it.
And so we got up to the window. She was like, you having a good day? And so then the girl was like that she was sick and she had lost her voice. And she didn't want to be at work, basically. And we was just like, oh, okay, well, hope you feel better.
Might want to pipe down that attitude.
That's what I was like, this is ridiculous. Like, she was really giving short answers then. I mean, it's kind of
No, that last one was just a straight attitude.
Does that come with fries? Yes, I mean, it is a combo, ain't it?
Oh, no, honey.
I don't know how to deal with people in a situation because I just automatically want to laugh.
It's out of order.
I'm like, you're crazy. You're crazy. Okay, can you get a work for me tomorrow? Because I want to come to your school one day. I mean, I'm really about to be bored at home.
Yeah, I guess you pay for it.
I forgot to see. I have to remember that. And they wanted me to fill out some paperwork online, but it wouldn't work for me.
What are you talking about?
For my doctor's appointment, they told me to fill out something in this portal, but it didn't work. So I have a memory of us being at a lingerie store when we was little, and it was the one over there by
Sycamore.
Yep. And we had to sit in the car, and you was with someone.
I was with Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah, but it wasn't for me. She was going for somebody.
Oh, how do you know? Like, how did you know that I was the memory?
Because that's the only time y'all have ever been in a parking lot of a store like that.
Oh,
And y'all
so
were
you
very
remembered?
young.
Yeah,
Because she was like gonna have y'all come. I was like, man, my kids can't go in there. And then on top of that, it was a rule that kids, if you're under 18, you can't go in a store like that.
I'm about to say, yeah, they ID you now, but I
They
didn't know.
ID you now?
Yeah, but I didn't know that what was I about to say? I didn't know what store it was until I got older. Like, I just remember sitting in the car and I didn't know why.
Yeah, y'all were like, you were probably like.
And I feel like y'all were in the store and then somebody was still like looking out, like checking.
It was.
So y'all had to sit in the car.
Because it was somebody else with us too. Because
I don't remember exactly who it was.
But it was with Michelle.
But I knew it was you and some other, like, somebody else. For some reason, when you say Michelle, it starts making sense. But
yeah, because she was doing like something for one of our family members. I'm not gonna say who it is since we're vlogging.
Period. Secrecy. Our business is our business.
Okay, we're here.
We're about to go inside. We're gonna get our stuff together. You leaving this coat in here?
Yes, I'm gonna start up in my food.
The sex trafficking is real, and we gotta fly into the store.
I
Amen.
don't need nothing to hold me down.
Amen. Y'all, she is serious about sex trafficking. Like, she wouldn't even let us leave out of Marshalls without her keys in her hands. She was like, I don't walk to my car without my keys in my hands. She thinks somebody go dump her in the truck. Don't nobody want her. You think that they type? You think they want you?
Oh, they won't.
They won't see you, girl. I'm weak. All right, we made it to Gabe's. For work? You're so hot. You make me melt.
They are wrong for this. How you gonna do my Jesus like that?
Not my God. Shabala. I'm about to show y'all some things my mama should get. Okay, I don't know where my mom went. She like literally disappeared. We're both in the same section and then boom, she gone. I don't know where she's at. Okay guys, so we are on our way home and I don't want to keep the light on long, so my sister has to go to dance and we're probably gonna be out for a little bit, so I'll get back on here when we figure out whatever we're gonna do. But for right now, yeah, we got some things to do, so I'll see y'all. Okay guys, we decided to make a pit stop at City of the Trends and we're a little bit in the hood, so we're gonna run in here. I'm literally a little scared, not gonna lie. Yeah, I know I'm TTG, period. Like, I am TTG, but it's like dark over here and not where I usually be at, you know what I'm saying? I know a phobia. My mom got robbed before, so like, I'm scared. Thanks for holding the door for me, lady. We came here to get some pajamas. And my mom needs an ugly Christmas sweater, and she'll definitely find something ugly in here. So, yeah. Somehow we ended up in Walmart, y'all.
And
And I might, anyways, but yeah, I'm about to have a little girl talk, so can't tell you guys.
So then she's like, she's gonna go ahead and come to work. She's like, no, you can't.
Ugly Christmas sweater. It says sleep all day, and then it's reversible, and it'll say slay, but it's hideous. We're still in Walmart, and we're just shopping. This is hideous. Like, what the heck? Who would wear that? Shopping around. See my sisters in dance. And $25. This is kind of cute though. I mean, like, okay, y'all. So I made it back home, and I'm just really tired. I had a long day. Every time I see my nose, I just gonna throw up. But I have to study, and I have to get up early, so I'm getting ready to just like basically chill and relax, and you know, get my mind ready for tomorrow. Cause I have my exam, my final exam. Lord, thank you, Jesus. Because this semester, your girl has been through. But yeah, so I have my last exam tomorrow, and I need to study, get ready for bed, rest my eyes. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Mwah.